In this video, I show you how to add highlights on Instagram without posting a story. So let's get right into it. First of all, just head over to your profile from the bottom right. And once you are in the profile, you will see 3 lines. Just click here, and under here, there are different sections, but we want to look for this particular section which says who can see your content. And under here, we have this option, hide story and live. So first of all, I'll just click on it because I don't want the other people to see the story. Rather, I want to add a highlight. So let's click on it, and we can select all the friends from which I want to hide it from. Click on done. And now let's go back. Now this story will be invisible to your friends or to your followers. Now let's go back to the profile and click on this plus sign to add a story here, and let's select the camera. I'll just take the picture of my laptop just like this, and let's say this is the story that I want to post. Click next, click share, and this shows you the option add to highlights. So click here, it will add a new highlight, and you can make or write any caption to the highlight. For example, my highlights, click add. After that, click on done. Now, since this story is posted as private, no one would be able to see this. As you can see here in the story, there are no views here. And once we check my highlights, it is added as a highlight. So this is how you can do it. And after that, don't forget to just revert back the settings to the original one, which is this one. Let's go to hide story and live option, and you can just re-enable that and click on done. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn more about Instagram and that amazing stuff, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.